Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2025 Volkswagen Taos and I will show you how to disable the traction control. This video should apply to Volkswagen Taoses made from 2022 all the way up to 2026 or even newer possibly. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now I will zoom into this main screen. So to do that, you have to get to the main menu first. So you want to press the menu button here, and then you will select the vehicle. And once you are here, you want to press the settings in the bottom. And here it is in the top, ESC System activated. So if I do this and select ASR off, this means that traction control will be disabled. And now if we look at the instrument cluster, you will also see the traction control is off. Now I also want to add, you should always be driving with traction control because it's a very important safety feature. But sometimes, for example, if you get stuck in snow or mud, you want to temporarily disable it just to be able to get back on the road. But as soon as you are back on the road, you should enable it. And now to enable it, you will do the same thing. You will just select activate it. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.